so could be just getting internet now.
Slow. You work here?
Thanks.
I contacted Search and Rescue. They'll be here in the morning.
With Turo, this is compact, standard, and full size. This is better than your typical car rental. This is Turo. Download the app today.
Should she stay on the remnants of ice where she can't find food? Or follow the scent of prey out into the unknown sea? Now is the time to be bold, but not hasty. Driven by a fierce will to survive, she risks everything.
For an independent organization that will pull subcontracts.
See you around supper time.
She's sick in bed. I better go there.
Oh, she ain't real sick. Ain't nothing to worry about. She's just having ladies' time.
Oh.
The hell was that?
Hvorfor har du så mye forskjellige lokalaviser liggende?
Hold down and talk about the premiere episode.
We're getting married. We're walking down the aisle.
I'm so excited. Listen, I'm gonna dance at the wedding. I love this.
Killed you all. Black Fox could.
Black Box. Man. Uh-oh. Here it comes. Yeah. Uh-oh. kickboxer. Oh,
Dejó lisiado a su hermano.
Pero este hermano es diferente.
oh, and it's
¿Viste
in
cómo
Spanish.
reclutó a tus luchadores allí dentro?
All about bidding.
Contagious disease on misinformation about the safety of the vaccine.
When you see a disease that is preventable with vaccination, it is somewhat disheartening.
The majority of measles cases have been concentrated mainly.
Air cover out of it that he can always keep in his living room. But I want to go back to the apologies. This is another thing I heard from Democratic leaders all day yesterday. The fear that Joe Biden is going to apologize for everything he's done in public service. And even somebody who was dead set against the crime bill told me yesterday, what Biden